can actually see the difference on my face after using the sunscreen. Let me call my friend. Hi bro, how are you? I'm fine. You actually missed out today's match. We had a lot of fun. Hey, I thought of telling you something. Thank you for recommending the sunscreen. Of course, Sunscreen Darjeeling, which you recommended me last week. It was awesome. Thank you so much again. See you soon. Bye bye. You guys want to know how to apply the sunscreen? Sunscreen Darjeeling is a heavy-duty mineral sunscreen with SPF 60+, PA 4+, water and sweat resistant for 8 hours. With a high SPF and PA rating, this face and body sunscreen is a perfect long wear, outdoor, holiday and sports sunscreen. This sunscreen is also ideal for extreme hot or cold weather and for those with very oily skin and for those who are prone to heavy sweating on the face. Sunscreen Darjeeling has 90% natural content and comes in an eco-friendly glass bottle and is free from chemical UV filters, parabens and artificial fragrance. You guys want to know the price? Sunscreen Darjeeling is priced at Rs 950 only. Now what? It's time for you to get yourself on.